Alright guys, so I know you probably already saw me with this same look, but that's because I'm recording like more than one video today. But anyways, whoa, little sexy! What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna show y'all. Can you even see it right here? Like, let me come closer. I feel so close. Like, I don't want to be this close to the camera. I'm gonna come close when I need to come close. Alright guys, so let's try this again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be on how I got this cute eyebrow slit. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I will come closer so that you can see it. Y'all, I swear, y'all might not care, but I've been wanting an eyebrow slit ever since I was little, like in middle school. But back then, the guys were doing this, like only men were doing this slit, and I always was like, that is so cute. So I decided to do a little faux eyebrow slit. I think it is so cute. So next time I do this slit, I'll definitely do it on this side because this is definitely my good side. Like when I take a picture, I turn this way. I don't ever turn this way because I don't know. But anyway, I really like the way the eyebrow slit came out. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, girl. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this super cute faux eyebrow slit, it is not real. I did not cut my eyebrow because if you know, my natural brows are sparse, so I'm not cutting nothing that I don't need to. But you can still get the same look with makeup. So if you want to see how I got this slit, then just keep on watching.
Hey girlie, you got it, you know that I want it. As soon as you walk through, I knew that you'll be perfect for me. Perfection, that's what you blessed with. Ain't no other girl I'm trying to get next to. Ooh, cause I mess with the way you look through them eyes, your pretty face and them thighs. I'm so intrigued by your mind, and not to mention your style, baby. I'm falling, I don't think I'ma get back up. I can be your dirt, you can be my day slow for tell them back up. Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah, and I'ma hold you down now. Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah,
I want you, girl, like crows and I roll through my town. Is you rolling with me? And I'd be good if you holding me down. Cause you're perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this is my baby and she perfect for me.
Alright guys, so that is going to conclude this video. As always, I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And if you have any questions or video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
You, baby, I'm driving you crazy. I just can't go without